Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to successfully reset your Cisco SF300 and 24 ports PoE managed switch. So this switch is a 24 port switch and it's basically designed to go on a server cabinet, which is of course going to be locked, but it can also be reset with a little reset button on the front of the unit here, and you just need a small paper clip and you just bend it out, and therefore you just have to stick it into this little hole here. And if I can get that in, and then you have to get it in and you have to push it in, and you'll hear a little button click in, and you hold that for about 30 seconds. If you hold it for about 10, it'll reboot the system. If you hold it for about 30, it'll go ahead and reset and put all the flash the default operating system onto the switch. It'll start blinking and pretty little lights will come up here, and at that time you can just let go of the switch and it shall reset itself. Look at that. Looks so nice. The next one will shut. So that'll continue and that'll fling around and do all sorts of things, and it'll just reset itself back to its default settings. The default password is Cisco, and the username is Cisco, and the default password is of course Cisco. Then you go ahead and reset everything back up there on your Cisco SF300 24 port PoE power over Ethernet managed switch. Just define the IP address ARP/A, or find it in your DHCP